What's up YouTube, it's B3 the Innovator, and I'm coming to you with another video about some automotive technology. I got a new pair of LED low beams for my 2002 GMC Envoy. It had a cheap pair of LEDs that the guy I bought it from, he had a pair of cheap ones in there. They finally went out, so I finally bought a little bit a better quality bulb. The Lasfits are really nice. I have the blinkers on my Silverado. Top of the line bulbs, guys. These are $30 on eBay. Comes with a manual. The bulbs themselves, real high quality. I got the fanless design because every time I unlock my doors, my lights come on, and so I can hear the fans, and I don't want that anymore. So these have a really nice heat sink on them, and they're close enough to the front of the grill. I think they'll get enough airflow. But I'm gonna go install them, and I'll compare it to the one headlight that I have working on my right side. I think these are going to be a little bit more white and less blue, but to me that's a more luxury look. The blue is kind of like a cheap look, like a cheap headlight look to me. But yeah, we'll go install them, guys. Should be good. Alright. New Lasfit bulb. I think it has a lot better look to it. Alright guys, there's the finished product. Pretty white and icy. I think they look real good. I think they're worth the money. Yep, $30, worth it. Real icy, real white.